girl Angie. Welcome back, my fabulous ones, to Fabulosity for you. I am so excited that you're here because today we are diving into one of my favorites things creating a warm, romantic, and fabulous, stylish home just in time for Valentine's Day. Whether you're decorating for a date night, a Valentine's get together, or just adding a little love inspired charm to your space, I've got some budget friendly ideas that will instantly transform your home. So grab a cozy drink, settle in, and let's add a whole lot of love and a whole lot of fab to your decor. And make sure you subscribe to Fabulosity for you. Make sure you click on that notification bell so when I upload videos, you'll be the first to know. And don't forget to join in my giveaway. I am having a Valentine's Day giveaway, and you must be a subscriber. So I hope you enjoy this Valentine's decor video. Right now, we're about to enter my office / den. All right. I have my red Valentine's lights going. Let me turn the lights on. All right. I have my red and white Valentine's pillow and throw, which I had gotten from Ross. Have my teddy bear. This says Valentine's Day with lights, candles, and all of the things. All right. The decorations look so nice. Valentine's Day. Okay, I did a little bit something different this year. Okay, I'm gonna turn the lights on so it looks a little, you can see really well. Okay, that's my Angie she gave. Okay, and so I have my XOXO Valentine's Day runner. I have a Valentine's Day candle. I have my Valentine's Day glasses. This is where my Valentine's Day headband. And this says, "Be mine." All right. And then I have my Valentine's Day banner, which I had gotten from Marshall's. I think I had this up last year. The pillows I didn't have in here last year. These are my Valentine's Day pillow and cover, throw cover. I love how it came out. I really did. Make sure you go to my YouTube channel and support me by continuously watching my videos. If you're not even in the room, honey, just turn your TV on and let it go and let me go, okay? So that I can get my views up, all right? And then I just had this, and it has suckers in it. And then it had, I put these in it, decorations. Okay, so this is my office / den. Happy Valentine's Day in advance. Okay, so this is the master bedroom. And as you can see, it's all decked out for Valentine's Day. Okay, so I have my Juicy Couture Valentine's Day pillows. And I just love Juicy Couture bed sets. Absolutely gorgeous. I have my red heart pillow and my pink heart pillow. I have my red heart throw cover on the bed. And it just looks absolutely beautiful. Ready for Valentine's Day. So I got all this ensembles from Burlington Coat Factory. They said a lot of cute things for the home goods. And then you see Angie and Fred in pink. I happen to have Juicy Couture pillows on each chair. I just love Juicy Couture, their home goods, especially their beddings. I have this Love You to the Moon and Back I got from Marshall's. Okay. And then I have my heart in red on my window. And then I have the pink, and all of the pink goes right together. I have this heart red and pink rug, which is so cute. It's a runner I got from Ross. Really cute. And then I got this. It's pink and red. It's milkshakes and all of the things I got from Ross. So, guys, this bedroom is all ready and set for love. For Valentine's Day. Okay, and then I have my candle burning. I told you guys I like Juicy Couture, and this is I Dream of Juicy. It smells so good. I really love it. Okay, and so it looks very, very Valentine's, ready for Valentine's Day. Okay, so I'm going to take you to my powder room. And I had this same rug last year, and it looks really nice. And these decorations I had from last year. And I got all of this from Marshall's, the towels, and the decor. Okay? And I have my little heart on the wall. All right? So this is the powder room, all ready for Valentine's Day. Now, these decorations I had in here, I had them last year as well. The rug, I had my little dog that says love, and I have the lips, the pink and red. Everything is pink and red in here. And it just looks really nice and coordinated for Valentine's Day. And I got all of this from Ross. Okay? So it came out pretty cute. I had it last year. All right? Okay, guys, so now we are entering my family room, and I just love this family room. We remodeled it, as I said. We put floors down and got new furniture and all of the things. All right, and so I didn't do much in here. I didn't think it needed much. I put on the couch a red heart pillow. And then on the table, I got from Marshall's, it's red boxes for Valentine's Day. It looks like gifts, which is really cute. I have the red roses to go here, so that it look like Valentine's Day, but red. I have a red heart hanging. And as you see, we have the red lights. I love these lights We put them on for Christmas, but you can use them all year round. They turn different colors, and this is our table, and it turns different colors, and it has red in it. I can keep it at red. So it's real sexy. This is my sexy room. You see that red? That's my sexy room in the house. Okay? And then at a little bar, I have a little Be Mine heart. And that's it. That's all we added. That's all we needed in here. That's all we needed. And so it's a little bit of Valentine's Day in every room. I love this picture here. Let me show you my picture, my Gucci picture, my Gucci picture. There we go. It says, a Gucci. Anyway, I love this room. This is the grown and sexy room right here. Grown and sexy. The grown and sexy. Okay, so this is the kitchen. I got new table mats and runners. It didn't come with 6, so I just had the red mats on each end, which worked out well. I love the flowers and the red and white ribbon. As you can see with I have clings, Valentine clings on the window, on the patio door, which really looks nice. All right. I love the clings. And they're also purple and red. And then I have my red scarf that I put, which looks really nice. The red scarf in the kitchen. Okay. And I got this ensemble from Ross. And then I got the Love Struck. It's pink and red, and it matches the table set. It has the heart with the balloon, air balloon, and it has the air balloon here as well. So all of this comes together. It didn't come together; it was sold separately, but it was mashed up together, and it looks really nice. It looks really nice. I have my Love Heart runners in my kitchen. I got from Amazon with the heart, real beautiful. I have my red heart. Okay, and then I have my red lights. These lights are up all year round. They turn different colors, and so we have red because we're celebrating Valentine's Day. I love this. It looks like a cupcake, and it's so cute. It lights up. I'm just going to turn the light off for just a second so that you can see it lit up. I got this also. I got this from Marshall's. No, from Burlington's. Real cute. Isn't that cute? Real cute. And so, it's love all in this house. It's love, baby. It's nothing but love. Okay, so this is my living room. And so for Valentine's Day, I added, at the fireplace, I added the Be Mine lights. They light up. Okay, we do have lights in the window and outside our home. That's absolutely beautiful. Okay, and so this is the dining room, my dining room table. I think it's so gorgeous. It's red and gold. I love the red flowers. The flowers I got from Burlington. Like I said, I love Burlington's home decor. Really nice. And so this is the look. Really nice. Nice. It's nothing but love, baby. Nothing but love. I have my vase with Valentine's red and pink. Okay. Really cute. And so I just sprinkled a little bit of Valentine's Day all around my home. And so that's it. That's all. I hope you like the decorations that I showed you today.